Hey there, how are you doing? This is Ingrid. Listen, do not listen to this video or watch this video, keep scrolling in case you are someone who is in a perfect life situation and financial stability. But if you're someone who is needing to have an extra income or have more income because your full-time job doesn't pay you enough and you don't have time to take care of yourself or your family, your children, shopping season is coming now, correct? And you don't have that extra money and you keep going to do grocery shopping every time, checking on your list what you can afford. And it's very frustrating not having not having time freedom to do more things and not having sufficient income to support yourself. Yes, I have a solution for you. If you would like to find out more about how you can be able to earn from $100 to $900 days, committing to 2 to 3 hours work day. If you're coachable, if you're someone who is willing to learn how to brand yourself, how to brand the business you choose to promote, whether it's this one or anything else, learn how to put your system on automation so you have more time freedom to do the things you love. And that is going to work for you 24/7. Warning, this is not a get quick rich scheme either, but if you're someone who's struggling, someone who needs to change their current situation, act and time is now. Keep watching this video. Thank you, and please like and follow for more, and let me share the solution for you. Just comment info and I would love to share it. What are you waiting for? Have an amazing day.